At the beginning of the season, we noticed that our toilet bowl was not holding water. Every time you would flush or fill the bowl with water, it would slowly drain down. So we got a brilliant idea to fix it ourselves. It's got to be easy. It's probably just the seal, but let's take a look. Let's check it out.
Okay, so here we go. We've got the water pump turned off at the moment, as we're staying at a state park where there's not water. So I don't want to fill up the tank at the moment. I just want to get a sponge here. Other useful tip here, always wear gloves when you're doing this. Give it a nice little scrubby dub-dub. Can you turn the water pump back on, please? Okay, thank you. Alright, so pretty good, but not great. So I think we're just gonna, we bought the seal, we might as well use it, right? Alright, so it's a super easy job. All you gotta do is basically just yank it off the edge. That seal that goes around, there's a little ridge here and a thing that sticks out underneath. There's a flat part down below. That's where the seal meets the white thing. And then up here you can see it kind of dips in. So make sure you get it right. I can see some more yuck now underneath here. Also, good thing to mention now is while you're doing this, try not to drop anything down there because that's your black tank. The seal itself doesn't look bad. So if we put this back on, and the good thing to do is just kind of, you can leave the, whatever you call this thing, closed, and it just pops right back there. So we're going to fill it with water. It's super slow, but it's still dropping. So I guess we're going to replace that. All right. Water pump off, please. Alright, so again, be careful when you take this out. You don't want to drop it down there. So, that goes in the garbage. So I lied. I had to go out to Myers RV Superstore in Cicero to pick up a Mobile Living Fix-It kit from Dometic that fits the 310 toilet like we've got here. After a couple hours, it was not holding water anymore, so I just put this in, and it appears to be holding water, so we'll see, but I think it should be good. So it was an hour drive and $50 for this little seal. It's hard to believe, but it seems to be holding the water in the tank, so wish us luck.
So it's just that easy, everybody. We did buy a $10 replacement seal on Amazon. I would suggest not doing that. It didn't fit. We had a hard time even trying to return it, so we just lost $10. But go to your RV dealership, buy the seal specifically made by the toilet manufacturer, and it'll fit perfect, and we've not had any issues with it the rest of the year. So if you found this video informative and helpful, make sure you like it, give us a subscribe, hit the bell so you can see all of the videos that we come out. We don't just do how to fix it. I just had something land in my arm. How to fix it videos. We do campground reviews. We've done recipes, you name it. So just hit that bell so you know when we're getting the next video out and you won't miss a thing. Until then, happy camping, everybody.